training aircraft of the Pakistan Air Force (PAF) crashed near Shorkot city of Punjab's Jhang district on Friday, reported Geo News. According to a PAF spokesperson, the Mirage aircraft, used for training by the PAF, crashed on a routine operational training mission. The official added that no loss of life was reported in the accident. The pilot ejected safely and no loss of life or property has been reported on the ground, said the spokesperson. A press release issued by the PAF after the incident added that the air headquarters had formed a board of inquiry to determine the cause of the accident. This is not the first PAF aircraft to crash this year. Last month, 2 PAF pilots were martyred after a training aircraft crashed near the Alam base in Mianwali. According to a PAF spokesperson, the PAF FT-7 aircraft, on a routine operational training mission, crash-landed near Mianwali. Both pilots, squadron leader Haris bin Khalid and flying officer Abadar Rahman, embraced shahadat, the spokesperson said.